Hey, welcome back to my channel. PROROK new remote control Q3101 fit. PROROK new remote control Q3101 fit for ViewSonic projector PA500S, PA501S, PA500X, PA502S, PA502S, PA502X, PA502X, PA503S, PA503X, PG603X, PT5075, PX702 HD, PX705 HD, PX725 HD compatible replacement. For most models of ViewSonic projector, such as PA500S, PA501S, PA500X, PA502S, PA502S, PA502X, PA502X, PA503S, PA503X, PG603X, PT5075, PX702 HD, PX705 HD, PX725 HD, TB3514, TB4518 color white specifications. Type: compatible remote control material, ABS battery, 2x 1.5V, AAA batteries, control distance 12 meters, universal. English. New and high quality Q3101 compatible for ViewSonic projector. Brand new, no need any program and work out of box after put the batteries. Compatible with PA500S, PA501S, PA500X, PA502S, PA502S, PA502X, PA502X, PA503S, PA503X, PG603X, PT5075, PX702 HD, PX705 HD, PX725 HD, TB3514, TB4518, and more. Refund guarantee. If remote control is not suitable for your projector, please contact us and we will provide the best solution. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.